Alright, video about the toolbox thing. I guess I'll post this on YouTube and I'll put a video in here, I guess, so I'll post it in both places. Anyway, so yeah, it's a project video, I think. I had a project video, so I gotta go figure that out. Anyway, I guess I can go through the videos here and figure it out. Anyway, this is this new toolbox thing that's for the YouTube comments and yeah, there's other things. So if I click it now, I already have this set up. So this is my normal website, but I can reconfigure any website so that when I click on it, yeah, it'll change everything. You know, changes the background, changes the text, all that kind of crap. And it can auto load if you use Grease Monkey. So we'll go into all that crap. But I guess I'll do that later. There's the Grease Monkey link, and then you load the user script, and it automatically loads on any page and all that crap. So the basic idea is you just bookmark it. So you either right click it and bookmark this link and then try to put it somewhere where you can actually find it, or you can just drag it, grab it and drag it up to your bookmark menu area. I have a whole bunch of bookmarks there, so you can just let it go and it'll stay up there. And yeah, and you can just hit on it and it'll work. So what we'll do on YouTube videos, so this is a video I might get around to Stephen Mosier, religious kook, doctor of crazy fucktardery. So anyway, so I have it configured now, so so the normal video page would look like this. And we'll let it load, and I'll hit pause. There we go. So that's what it would normally look like. But then when you use the tool, so here's the tool up here on my thing, and so if I click it, and like I said, you can get this to auto load using Grease Monkey, so then it'll automatically do it every time. You don't even have to hit the button. So I hit the link, and what it does, it'll change the background. Now when it auto loads, there's a 4-second delay. So there's a 4-second delay before the menu shows up, and then a 4-second delay before it does the comments, because you kind of have to do that because YouTube's a little slow. So anyway, so you can see it changed the background, changes the text, puts the comments over here on the side, which is nice, and it also includes this section over here that has the comments from the video people I have in the index. I mean, maybe I'll add some other people to the index or whatever. But it's the usual players mostly, and because the Amazing Atheist just made a video, there's a whole bunch of crap from him in there, which sort of spoils it. But maybe someday he'll say something meaningful. So anyway, you can see it's kind of an interesting. This is kind of useful. Now on some pages you might not want this box in the way, so you can configure it there. So if there's a little link that says Tools here, you hit the Tool link, and it'll give you these choices that you can configure. So the top one just loads my videos in the index here, so you can see what videos I made. Well, I might as well do it, right? There it is. So these are my videos, and then you can get rid of that, just close that, hit the little X over here, and you're back to the tools, and then it can load the other toolbox I made previously. Some deer having a fucking fit out there. It better be a deer. Go away, animal. Kind of funny that somebody just posted a comment. Gary, great tools. I use them all the time. Thanks a lot. You should charge money for them. It's just kind of funny. I didn't arrange that. I really didn't. Somebody actually just posted that comment coincidentally, before I released the new tool. So that's sort of nice. So anyway, but this is the old thing, and it has the comments on the website thing, which I'm going to change because they're all shit mostly. Except for, no, that was actually a good one. Well, anyway, so I'll close that. And then he does the gaming thing. Well, I'll hit it. What the hell? Which, yeah, okay, that looks like, oh, hey, what's all that shit? So anyway, you can just get rid of all these ones you don't want by just clicking on them. Get rid of all the shitty images. Yeah, I saw a ton of images loaded because of the toolbox has a ton of images loaded in it. So yes, it's way too many images. But anyway, you scroll down this thing. Yeah, my browser's like, oh, what the fuck? It will eventually work, right? Eventually, it will. So it has like everybody's icon plus the video images for all the ones that were commented on. And yeah, my browser's like totally fucked. What are you doing, man? This is way too much work, man. I do have a few windows open, so that's part of the problem here. See, there it goes. Okay, so there we scroll down the bottom, and that's where it says game these, and so you hit the game these, and it'll make the little solitary, well, I mean the little concentration game, you know, where you click a button and you try to, hey, look at that, it's my Vlogger Dome image. There's Bella, yay! And so you try to match images, and so far I'm not doing too good, and I haven't matched any so far. Oh, that's just blue. And so far I have absolutely no matches. No, that was that one, you dope. 4 is the one you want, and 19. There you go. Now I finally got a match. So I got a match in there. You see? Wow, I have really got no. Oh, now that red thing. I don't know. Oh, these two look. Nope. Ooh, 5. No. All right. Fuck this one. I totally fucked this. Yeah, that's that. Obviously, that's nothing. I should remember that. Oh, Anticontavod. Ooh. Boo. This is really horrible. Oh, there's Bella again. And where the hell was Bella? Does anybody 12? Is Bella 12? No, that was Anaconda. Oh shit! I thought Bella was somewhere like around here. 11 maybe? No, that was Vlogger Dome. 17? No, that was Terrorist Guy. He's over here somewhere. No. Oh man, ooh, Black Square. That's pretty interesting. Oh fuck this. I'm dying. Sorry, I have no brain. Anyway. So it does work, blah, 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 blah. And so then you should be able to go back to, see if the back works. Look at that, I went right back to the page. Amazing. Changed a few colors here. The menu box changed a little. But anyway. So there's another feature where you can just change the backgrounds to different, I have to load some different style backgrounds in here. You know, different, because they're all kind of broken. So this will get more interesting if I fix it. Yeah, see, at least this background works with this text color. So that one works, but yeah, it's kind of failed the way it is right now. And then the rest of them, right after the background one, these are all ones that are relevant to these configurations. So say if I wanted to not have the box show, which I have, like for the Google page, I have it loaded that way. At least I did have it loaded that way. Let's see. I just have like a white background for the Google thing, like some sort of light background. It should pop on here any second. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's right. I have the auto load off. But if I hit the link, there we go. See, it's just a checkerboardy thing. And you see it doesn't show up. The menu doesn't show up. But if I hit it again, it should pop up there. Right link, right? Whoops, wrong link. I knew I was going to hit the wrong one. Yeah, I figured I was going to do that. This one here. Okay. So I'm going to hit it twice. So if I hit it a second time, it should load the box. So now it loaded it this time, so then I can go to Tools, and I hit this. If I hit this thing twice, then it'll show the box again. So that's just something you're going to have to know for. I'm going to fix it so it has a box on, box off kind of thing. But if you hit this no box thing once, this menu won't show up anymore. But if you hit twice, we click it and then click it again, not too quickly, but click it and then click it again, then the box will show. So that's just a glitch that I have to fix. But anyway, so for the Google page, the reason why I did that is because the Google page is sort of annoying. As you can see, the box gets in the way, it cuts across the text, and there's no real easy way to fix that yet. So until I fix that, it's kind of better not to have the box show up. So anyway, this clear all just means that you clear all the settings. So that basically just clears the cookie that I'm using to establish your preferences, and so then you just go back to normal, and then you can reset the things. But to set like the background image, you hit change background, and this little box will pop up, and you can select the background image anywhere on the internet. So you can just find the link to an image on the internet somewhere, put it in here, and that will become the background image. So that's the thing. So if I use this default one, this is the one I'm using right now for YouTube. So I'll click that just to show you what it would do when it's loaded. So now I've changed the background, and so now I'll load the Google page, and now when I hit the tool, you'll see it's now got the YouTube color of black, and you can't see the text, and because I got to change the text color, so you have to go to the toolbox again. You got to find change text, and then I'll change the text so you can see it. But Google's hard to change the text on, so I gotta, you know, like I said, some of this stuff doesn't work great yet. So it works really good on some web pages, and it doesn't work so good on others. So yeah, so that's why I was using a white background for Google. I mean, I think if I put an image that doesn't work, that'll work just as well. So if I use an image that's broken, so I just put in any kind of digits here just to mess it up, so it's a non-existent image. Now it should end up with a white background again, because they won't be able to find the image. Voila. No, I didn't hit that. I gotta hit the thing. I can't go voila until I hit it. So the toolbox is on now, as you can see, and so I would want to turn that off by hitting no box. And so now I reload the page, and you can see it does change the, you can see it does load, in the sense that it's, if when I load it, it does change the text colors, because those settings still exist. But now there's no box and there's no background image. Alright, I mean, that's a tedious pile of crap. But anyway, I just wanted to explain some of these features. So anyway, you can change the link color. So for like YouTube here, like, you know, this is kind of a shitty link color, right? This like orange thing. So maybe I'll change that. And I'm just saying, so it'll always work. And so then I'll show you the grease monkey thing, because that's sort of the important thing. So I'll change this to, so you have to know something about these codes, alright? So the first two digits are for the red, and then there's yellow, and then the blue component. So, you know, you have to know that the numbers go like 99 for the first two numbers would mean a lot of red. But then it goes AA, BB, CC, DD, FF. So if you go to FF, that means 250. That's a bigger number. So you can use letters will indicate numbers. So if I want the link to be a light color, I want to go like, maybe we'll go with something that's less red, because we don't really like red. So we'll only use 99 for the red component, and then we'll use CC for the yellow, and then we'll use FF for the blue. So it'll tend to be a little bit of a blue color, but that's okay. We like blue. But you know, I gotta remember it's a blue background that I'm working with. So when I reload this and reload the toolbox, yeah, sorry, this video is going way too long. Shut up. Shut up. So now I reload it again. It'll save those preferences. Now there's a blue links. You can see all the links are now blue, 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 because I changed the color. So, yeah. So, like, if you wanted white, white is FF, FF, FF. So lettering goes all the way up to FF. So it's 99, and then it goes AA, and then BB, CC, DD. You can obviously do CA. You can mix the letters, but I'm just saying the maximum is FF is the highest amount of that component. So all F's will get you white, and all zeros will get you black. Alright, that's enough education on that. I mean, obviously I can fix it and just put the words like black and red in there, and then you can just click black or red or blue, but that gives you less control, but it doesn't really matter. So anyway, so again, this could be any background you choose. I'm going to make a bunch of these different colors, and so you'll have some choices on the website, from the website. And this one, maybe I'll change this one, so you could have one set up, and then I'll change what the image is for that image location, and so then it'll automatically change, like randomly, like every day could be a different color. And you might like that. I might like that. A little randomness. But it wouldn't be random, because I'd be choosing it. But anyway, you get the point. Alright, now to the grease monkey thing. That's sort of the point I want to get to. Okay, so on this tools, the link I'll give you, it's the tools on the website, DoNotGod. If you go to Grease Monkey website, it's really simple, right? I mean, this is just dirt simple. You know, you'll have a perfectly adequate page here, and this isn't a perfectly adequate page. What the fuck is this? Yeah, this isn't manager for Firefox browser. Here's the official Grease Monkey homepage. Why the hell isn't this the official page? Why aren't I linked to the official damn page? That's irritating. Huh. Alright, well anyway, so let's go to the official page. Alright, and so then you just click, there'll be a link somewhere, download Grease Monkey. And so you just click on that and it'll install it as a extension on your Firefox. So that's all it takes, just do that. So I'll fix that link, greasespot.net, that's weird. Anyway, yeah, so that'll work. And then, once you've installed Grease Monkey, you just use this user script. You go to just click on that, and this will come up saying, do you want to install this? And I already have it installed, so I won't bother installing it again. And you just say yes, install. And so I already have it installed, and so it's on my tools here. Grease Monkey shows up as an extension. Just go to the Grease Monkey thing. You can enable it and disable it when it's in your way. And so I will enable the user script. Will be called YouTube Center Plus Comments 2. That's the one. And so I'll enable that. And so now, every time you load the page, so I'll just do a reload here, it'll automatically do the toolbox background thing. 4 seconds. Yeah, well, it took it a little more than 4 seconds, but you can see there, it added the toolbox, did the background change. And so it automatically, now that I have it enabled on YouTube, there's a video I did for somebody else. There's the pool, see, yay! So if I just reload this page, you'll see that it'll automatically, when I reload the page, it's not private, it's a link. It's not private. This is irritating. Really, it's not private, it's the link. Why aren't you displaying, you stupid cunt? That's really irritating. I'm going to have to go back there and fix that. There's always something. I said link only. Why is it saying it's private? It's not a private video. Well, anyway, you can see that it did work. It loads the menu. So on every YouTube page this will happen. I mean every YouTube page that doesn't have a sub-directory. See, my channel page probably will look okay because the channel pages aren't subdirectories. See, they are, user. So the user one I haven't configured, so there shouldn't do anything here. The menu shows up but doesn't change the background because the cookie is different. And so this is a little counter. This counts how many times you went to this directory. So I've been on user pages a lot because my tools run on user pages to create this index. I load a lot of user pages, so that's why it says 1500. But the other number will tell you, this number will indicate how many times you visited the domain name or the directory. Yeah. But like I said, if I go to one of my videos, just click on it, it'll automatically load, and it'll automatically do the background and put the menu over there. Okay.
I understand that, and that's the value here.
Okay. So anyway, that's probably way more than enough. Anyway, so I'm going to fix it. I just, time. This all takes time. So this is, I really don't like releasing it in this kind of unfinished form, but I will make it better and more easy to use and all that kind of crap. But it does work fundamentally. So anything on this menu, right? You click on this icon, is the video icon. And this is the user that posted the comment. So you got the user, this will go to the user page. I mean, this guy who wrote the comment. This will go to the video if you click on the image. And this is obviously the comment. So, Skeptical Heretic's getting a lot of heat, which he should. Because this video is stupid. I mean, really, black people that have accepted Jesus Christ as their Lord and Savior are kind of like bullshit. I mean, really. Jesus enslaved you, dumb fucks. He's not your friend. He was the ally of your enemy. God was persecuting you. That, you know, Jesus, the God of Jesus, thought it was okay for you to be a slave. Anyway, it's kind of dopey. He has this whole theory that it's, oh, they just went to church to sing songs about how to escape. Ponies. What does that have to do with the fact that now they're nutty Jesus kooks? I mean, right? I imagine the dusty guy, whoever the fuck that is, was talking about current wacky Christians. Black Christians. So anyway, I'm just scrolling down. A lot of amazing. He's talking about some stupid restaurant. Who the fuck could give a rat's ass? So yeah, all these comments about a dumb fucking... Oh, the cheap restaurant is dirty. Duh. Fuck. So anyway. What the fuck? Now, see, there's always something. What the fuck is this shit? What is this shit here now? What is YouTube doing with this shit? What is this shit over here? So you see, that's what this crap is, right? Yeah, you get anything extra on the location, and it starts adding a bunch of bullshit in there. So you get rid of that crap, and then it should load the video normally. Sheesh, fucking YouTube. Bastards.
Even though you don't understand what the tattoo means. I mean, I'll put something right here on my fucking forehead.
There it is.
All right, to point out that I understand.
Yeah, pointing at my forehead. All right, anyway, so it's way longer than I intended. Sorry. It kind of makes it not worth it, you know, if you have to go through this whole video to know how to use it. But anyway, it's the way it is. So link to the tools page on my website, and that'll have the links to the bookmark. It's really that simple. Just get the bookmark if that's all you want, but it really gets cool when you do the grease monkey thing, because then it auto loads, and that's pretty cool. So that's enough. Till next time.